Let's look at this simple example where we can calculate the reserves on a recursive basis. We are supposed to compute the reserves at the end of period t plus 1. We have the reserves at the end of period t. We also have the interest rate which these reserves would be earning every year. Then the probability of death, which means probability of survival for me, px plus t is going to be 1 minus of qx plus t. And we also have the premium that is getting collected during the period. We know the recursive relationship. The reserve that is there at the end of period t plus whatever the premium that was collected, level premium that is collected in the period t to t plus 1, that is collected at the beginning of the period itself. These two are invested, which means at the end of the period they are going to fetch this much amount, because the reserve plus the premium would fetch a return of I, and that amount, out of that amount, based on the death benefit, probability of death multiplied by the death benefit plus probability of survival multiplied by the survival benefit. Here the survival benefit is nothing but the reserve that is expected at the end of the period t plus 1. And for unit sum assured, this I can take it as 1. So from here I can very clearly compute my t plus 1 Vx, because it is nothing but tvx plus px times 1 plus I minus qx plus t divided by px plus t. So if I put in that simple calculation, tvx, so probably directly I can take t plus 1 vx. It is direct calculation. Now tvx, what is tvx here for me? 0.468 plus px 0.017. These two put together, I multiply it with 1.03. Out of this I subtract qx plus t, which is 0.024, and this entire thing I divide by px plus t, which is 1 minus of qx plus t, 0.024. So this would be the reserve at the end of the time period t plus 1. A straightforward formula based calculation, right?